5 days because of the children's health. Lizzy should stay.
Yes, hello, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please guys do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, so una daughter, una give, una pardon me. Oh miss me. The reason why Lizzy not they come back to Abuja. Yes, if you be the person when you want to know where Lizzy dey, where Lizzy dey. Yes, do well to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Then you will see where Lizzy dey, and you will see about Lizzy. I received this comment about madam, where is Lizzy? Ha yes, I think una say na sister. Hey God. My phone break. My phone break. If I'm not the active, my fellow content creator, if I'm not active, please one phone to the do, and this phone, the camera is not good at all. OPPO. If you be content creator, not go for OPPO. Samsung is the best. And I know I'm not really active. I'm so sorry. No, don't worry. The person when they repair my phone, he tell me say today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. I wait the person. The person never still do and finish. Me not leave this neck. Sick. He must leave. Yes. My beautiful people, I bring this about this topic about our sister Lizzy, editorial in-law, that is editorial girl when they stay with editorial. Me not pardon any noise on out here. Be mommy and my washing machine they on. We are supposed to take film and not film for them. Because my children they at least before they come and go sight them and go stay. I received comments. One person say, "Madam, where is Lizzy?" My people, my commenters. Madam, where is Lizzy? I be Manzi family. I be Manzi family. I said, no, I no do voice. I must sit down. May I talk? No, come. I be Manzi family. He said, madam, where is Lizzy? Some say, very soon your help go cry, come for France. You're not trying, you'll go prison. If you full rich, you'll be rich. Your owner to come help me to clean house and go back to your house. You, when you drop that comment. Say, madam, very soon your help go cry, come. And I know if it treats human be bad. I know if it treats human be bad. You know me say you do wrong, me I no attack you. No, I go attack you. If you look, you know say I no really cool. You understand? I must tell you, see where you wrong. You know me say that one. You understand? Everybody get their own doing, their character. And this person when he come to my comment section say, where is Lizzy? I not be Manzi family. I dey France. Then Nigeria, Abuja. Me I dey France. How we can't relate? I see a video on social media. I jump put, I talk. That is the niche of this channel. I still got another channel, Esther Family TV. I think I say and they display. I still get Esther. You feel support me there. I do family vlog. I they make my daughter head there. This one I just to back my second channel. You understand? Esther Family TV. I not be Manzi family. You when you ask me where is Lizzy, and I receive another comment. God will bless you, my beautiful sister, or my brother. I don't know who dropped that comment. She says she writes editorial for Instagram. Editorial tell her say Lizzy will soon come. I hope many people when they say where is Lizzy, I go leave the comments whether here or here. Now go see leave the comments here. I go leave anywhere. Now go see the part of the noise. My children, they 2 weeks holiday. I go leave the comments. Now go see the comments. She says she chat editorial about Lizzy. And many of us, when they ask about Lizzy, if you be person when they follow editorial, you'll hear when editorial, when she reach her mom's side, when she talks, say, when she reach her mom's side, she make a video about how her 2 daughters take the sick and how she take rush her 2 daughters go her mom's side because of the sick. Where to buy drug, she know see where to buy drug for her mother-in-law side. Then she need to rush her daughter go her mother side so that she go see where buy drug. Now they follow editorial. If they follow editorial, if you not like person, not just bother. You understand? But if you like person, try watch that video. And if you dey watch person video, watch am from the beginning to the end so that before you dey accuse that person, you will know say, okay, this video I don't watch am to the extent of say, oh, see wetin happen. Like editorial, if you watch, some people they drop comment just because of title. Some people they drop comment. So click. Then you need to watch the video from the beginning to the end before you go know wetin that person talk. You when you drop that comment for me, say where is Lizzy? I not be Manzi family. If you watch editorial video when she talk about how she take rush her children at her first take talk, she mentioned saying na 5 days she stay for her mother-in-law. Please, 5 days I be 1 week. I mean I don't lie. Say now she stay for her mother-in-law side. Say her children come dey sick. She need to go back to her mom side. Then her mother-in-law come say no, Lizzy, make Lizzy stay back. Now no watch that part. her mother-in-law come say no, make Lizzy stay back. Wetin una dey feel? Una dey feel say Lizzy mama no gree make Lizzy come? Una watch the video when Lizzy mama say make Editorial carry her daughter go back. Where do we come dey drag ourselves about Lizzy for? And mama when he say make Lizzy stay back, una know say this mama na mother. Otherwise nobody dey go village. If you dey follow Editorial, this woman go make that is local food, our African food, Naija food, all those real food. E go send her from east to north. Talk of opportunity when Lizzy take dey there now. Lizzy go come package food for, because if you now look and say Editorial go still go her mama, she no fit dey pack all those food, and at flight she take therefore still use flight take her go those food. But for me, mama look say Editorial not take long, you understand, and Lizzy she need to give them food. They no just go Abuja with empty handed. As far as say children dey sick, you dey comot, make Lizzy stay back, may I give Lizzy food. No be say they talk, I'm just saying it on my own view. Understand? I just dey talk my own opinion why Lizzy not follow Editorial. First of all, Lizzy not follow Editorial come up for Abuja. Lizzy go meet Editorial when Editorial take flight. When we say Editorial, if I not do like that, Lizzy go her own. You go meet Editorial, then they come gather go village. And Lizzy mama, all of us watch when Lizzy mama say Editorial carry my daughter go back. Wetin una come fix say Editorial, the girl no follow Editorial? The girl must follow Editorial. Now food, African food, because if they process African food, they take long, they take time. Maybe they want carry like rice. You would see Editorial will say, see what my mother-in-law give me, oh, he don't do one, she never do one. See what my mother-in-law give me, oh, rice, that woman go do rice. You go do gari, to do gari say na one day. They take time, they take proceed, they get their, I don't know how to put them. You understand? They take long. Talk of rice. I beg. You, when they come my comment section, they ask me where is Lizzy. I no be Manzi family. I no even be East. I be Edo. I always talk for my channel. I be Edo girl. Now I be now. I be Edo. I beg. Not they come my comment section. Oh, I appreciate you for watching me, but watch them from the beginning to the end. If you they follow Editorial, I believe in natural Editorial, now you say know me. Yes, I believe that many of us natural Editorial, now you say know us. If you they watch that Editorial, watch them from the beginning to the end before you they look for person. I will look for that small video where Editorial for say Lizzy deal with mama. Mama say make Lizzy stay back. Lizzy go come back, and now see that comment when person when get Lizzy for mind. You go chat Editorial, say where is our princess, our beautiful princess? Editorial answer and say she go soon come back. Then she go tell me say Editorial say Lizzy go soon come back. I hope all of us understand. Say Lizzy go come back. When you get person for mind, no be to use that to take the bully other people. Where is this? Where no be. You understand? As this lady take do one, and as we supposed to take do one, go chat Editorial. Where is Lizzy? Then wait till she talk. You use that to talk. Yes, children don't already start school. As now still talk, say children don't start school. Yes, everybody knows say children don't start school. But for my side now, we did 2 weeks holiday. I tune and see my child now. We did 2 weeks holiday. I don't know about Nigeria, but I believe Lizzy go come. Mama just one package Lizzy, and God will bless Mama. God may God give her long life to take enjoy the fruit of her labor. Without bitter, if you see that woman, me I not to talk so much. Oh, now this one I get to talk to come clear my subscriber when they say, Mother, where is Lizzy? Mother, where is Lizzy? I not be Mazi family, oh. I not be Mazi family, oh. I not be Mazi family. I not marry from East. I not be East. I be Edo, and I marry for Edo. I don't understand though. I appreciate all of now. Okay, do where to drop your own opinion. Lizzy is coming back. No worry. Okay, may we wait now. You never will she hear when Editorial reach Abuja. And if Lizzy come say she no come back, okay, wait till now get to talk. If Lizzy say I know they go back to Abuja, wait till now talk. Now say na everything na Editorial. No, because they join the Editorial. No, I know they join the Editorial. No, I know they join her. I don't even know her for anywhere. Only wait till I tell like her they talk on this my channel. Her struggle and where she did today. That's all. When you see people who struggle and succeed, always appreciate God for them on their behalf. I better drop your opinion. What do you think about somebody asking where is Lizzy? My phone break. My phone break. I don't get phone. This OPPO even cost past Samsung Galaxy one take the film. This OPPO one use only way I enjoy for this phone now. When I want download video, it's good. If you want to download video and you are looking for phone to download video, OPPO is good for you. But talk about video is zero. And now tell me this video and all those my video, which one better? You know, if you give me my color, this phone, not be my color, it they give me. No, nada. I'll see you in my next video. Please do well to join this beautiful family. Oh, good girl. Let me see you. Oh.
My mother-in-law did not actually want us to leave the village, and these two people were sick. Like, she wanted her son-in-law to go and buy us medications and so that they could take, but over there they did not have like some of the medicines that we actually needed, like to stay a little. School has actually not resumed yet, but she doesn't know that I personally need internet, I need light, okay, and I need my business to be running. Do you understand? She does not understand that. So she was like, okay, you guys came holiday, so you guys should stay at least a little until maybe the school is near opening. I would like to stay because you guys, I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, but know that when I was in my husband's village, I stayed there for like I think 5 days. Now when we went to my mother-in-law's, like there was no internet at all. My felt Lizzy should stay a little more. So Lizzy is actually still in the village with Ma, you know, enjoying the whole holiday. Yeah, until maybe school near open. So that's what Ma wanted. But because we could not stay because these people, they were saying everybody go to